In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show multiple databases in one view in Notion. This setup allows you to organize different types of information on a single page, helping you create a more centralized, efficient, and easy-to-manage workspace. Instead of jumping between multiple pages, everything you need can live together in one place. Start by opening Notion and navigating to the page where you want your databases to appear. This can be an existing page you've already been working on, or a brand new page created specifically for this purpose. Once you're on the page, click anywhere to activate the editor so you can begin adding content. With the editor active, type /data and look through the options that appear. From the list, choose Database in Line. This option is important because it allows the database to appear directly on the page instead of opening in a separate full-page view. After selecting it, you'll be asked to choose which database you want to display. At this point, you can select an existing database that you've already created, or you can choose one of Notion's suggested database templates. If you decide to use a template, simply click Get Started, then click Done, and the database will be added to your page instantly. Once added, the first database will be visible and ready to use. To show more databases on the same page, repeat the same process. Scroll down to the bottom of the page, click anywhere to activate the editor again, type /data, and select Database in Line. Choose another existing database or select a different template, depending on how you want to organize your information. Each time you repeat this process, a new database will appear directly below the previous one. This allows you to stack multiple databases on a single page, creating one central location where you can view and manage different types of data side by side. You can also adjust the layout by rearranging the databases, adding spacing between them, or placing related databases closer together for better visual organization. This approach is especially useful if you're managing multiple projects, tracking different lists, or working with several data types at once. Having everything in one view reduces clutter, saves time, and makes it easier to stay focused without constantly switching pages. And that's it. You've successfully displayed multiple databases in one view in Notion, making your workspace more organized, streamlined, and efficient for everyday use. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.